Hey, what's up you all? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about ticker symbol CTRM, Castor Maritime Inc., one of our favorite stock, and we have been reviewing this stock pretty consistently since it was around 30 cents level. Castor Maritime has really good growth in terms of the stock price. However, it is closed at no change considering previous trading session. It is closed at $1.21. In this video, I'll be doing some technical analysis about the stock price, volume, and RSI about CTRM. The second thing is I'll be talking about one of the big catalysts that you want to keep in mind if you own the CTRM stock. The third thing is one of the potential situation that can also impact Castor Maritime and the stock price in next couple of days. So watch the full video. I'm not a financial advisor. I do a lot of research and analysis. I do invest in stocks as well, and I want to share my research and analysis, hoping it'll help you making informed decision. I'm not a financial advisor or certified professional, so do your own due diligence before you buy or sell Castor Maritime or any other stock that we talk on this channel. CTRM is a penny stock and it's always risky. It's risk versus reward. You can make a ton of money in a very short period of time in penny stock. On the flip side, you can lose a lot as well because of the high volatility, high volume, lower market cap. All those reasons. Now, looking at CTRM, one of the thing, and before I go ahead, I want to say consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, because you can get timely updates. You can make informed financial decision in your investment journey. Also, click on the like button because your like is very much appreciated. It takes me a while to do the research, post this video, and share this information with you. If you click the like, it'll be a huge help to this channel. So please support this channel, and I'll make sure that I'll keep posting more and more research and analysis about CTRM and any other stock. Now, without further delay, let's talk about CTRM. Now, the stock is trading at $1.21. No change considering previous trading session. After hours, the stock is up almost 1.64%. The 5-day chart looks pretty sideways as well. The stock is down 20%. 1 month chart is 266% up, and 6 months chart is 700% up. So if you have invested in this stock before 6 months, you are making 7 times more on your investment. So congratulations. Now, the stock is a pretty small company. The market cap is pretty small as well. The company was founded in 2016 and the company is revenue positive. The Q3 revenue is 2.79 million, Q2 revenue is 2.60 million, Q1 revenue is 2.73 million. However, the company is burning through cash because they're buying more and more vessels, and I'll talk about what the company does, but it's all in all, it's a shipping company. They have dry bulk vessels. The volume was 87 million, so it's a lower volume. The average volume is 170 million, but lately we have been seeing lower volume in so many of our favorite stock. If you think about ZOM, Zomedica Corp, that we have been always reviewing, and we bought this stock below $1 level, lower volume. CTRM, lower volume. SNDL, lower volume. So right now, considering I think overall market condition, the volume is lower, especially in penny stocks, especially in these 3 stocks, but it's not a bad thing, and I'll tell you why. Now, CTRM, if you take a look, it is consistently trading about $1 level, and it's a great thing. If you take a look at the volume though, the volume was 517 million February 8th, and then it started decreasing. However, it went back up at 602 million on February 11th, but once again, it was cut in 1/3, and the volume is almost 200 million, 219 million, and from there it dropped once again 150 million, 160 million, and it was almost 89 million on February 19th. However, the stock is trading above $1 level. If you take a look at the stock price, February 9, $1.06, and last trading session it was trading at $1. It was closed at $1.21. Now, looking at the chart, let's take a look, and you will be able to also notice some of the barcoding pattern, which means that the trades were handled by some of the APIs and the algorithm and the machine trades, which is once again not a bad thing, but I just wanted to point it out. If you take a look at the RSI is 46, which suggests more on the oversold side, so it may help the stock to run up next week. Now, looking at the stock price, once again, it went as high as $1.31, but then it went back down close to $1.20. But the key thing here is the stock sustained above strongly $1 level, and it's a great thing. Looking at Castor Maritime, what the company does, it's a high growth oriented global shipping company that is engaged in seaborne transportation of a wide range dry bulk vessel and commodities. Dry bulk commodities along worldwide shipping routes through their ownership of dry bulk vessels. And what company has been doing is they are raising capital, buying more vessels, raising capital, buying more vessels. And I have been consistently seeing the pattern. Every single time they buy the vessel, the stock price goes up, for the reason that the company believes a lot in, if the CV situation gets better, the business will be back and the company will have a lot more revenue. More revenue means more profitability for the company. So it's a standard shipping company. It's not really a technology company or anything that has exponential growth, but in general the company has been doing pretty good, and they had started with 5 or 6 vessels. Right now they have more than 12 vessels at this point, I believe. I do not keep the track, but they have been buying more and more vessels, raising more and more capital, which is helping the company at the end of the day, improving the revenue, their balance sheet, and their profitability. Now, the Castor Maritime received 180-day extension from Nasdaq to meet the Nasdaq minimum bid price rule requirement. What does that mean is the stock was trading below $1 level for quite a while, and they announced that the receipt of notification letter that they got from Nasdaq, granting the company an additional 180-day extension. So they have time until June 28, 2021. So the company is at risk right now to getting delisted from Nasdaq's stock exchange. The company can cure this deficiency if the closing bid price of the common share is $1 per share or higher for at least 10 consecutive business days during the compliance period. And this is super helpful to know that let's take a look at how long the stock has been trading above $1 level and closed above $1 level. So let's take a look at the February 9th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 days as to when the stock price closed above $1 price level, which is a great thing, because now within a couple of days, if the stock stays and sustains above $1 level, there is no risk for CTRM to get delisted from Nasdaq. Now, if that happens, that means it will be trading on Nasdaq, and that also means that it'll have a lot more traction from retail investors. It can have a higher volume, so the price can benefit the stock price all in all. So that's a great thing. So the stock will not get delisted. On the second, I also want to share that the CTRM filed the Form F3, that is a registration statement by foreign private issuer. What this means is the company is preparing for themselves for shelf offer. This is called shelf offering. So, and the price on the Form F3 is 700 million, and the company can use this. So they don't have to really offer all the stocks at the same time. They can offer in smaller chunks, and they have up until 3 years. So do not think that they're going to offer $700 million of stock offering at the same time, but they can use this form and the preparation that they have already done, and they can offer common shares, preferred share for purchase rights. They can also have preferred shares, debt securities, warrants, purchase contract rights, and units up until they hit the $700 million mark. So companies preparing for themselves, so they don't have to rush at the last moment. They can take the advantage of the stock price, the market condition, so on and so forth, in companies' benefit. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I'm not saying that they're going to offer the share, but the first thing you want to keep in mind is if the stock closes above $1 level for 10 consecutive business days, there is no risk of getting delisted. And the second thing you want to consider is the Form F3 for $700 million. So there might be some stock offering in the future. So that's something that you want to keep in mind. Whenever there's stock offering, the stock price goes down in the interim. based on at what price the stocks are offered and some other market conditions. So I want to share with you these two things. The first one is the 10 consecutive days as to when the stock can trade above $1 level, and the second thing is the form F3 that they have filed. The stock looks pretty strong. I do believe that it will sustain and stay above $1 level for next couple of days. The way the stock is trading, I hope you make informed financial decision if you want to buy or sell CTRM. I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own due diligence and research before you buy or sell CTRM or any other stock. Consider subscribing to my channel. Click on the like button because it takes me a while to do the research, share this information with you. If you click the like button, it will help me share this information with more and more people, and share this video with your friends and family as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks all for watching.